In this video, you will learn how to create new plastic rules, edit existing rules, and save rules to a library to use in future designs using the Fusion 360 Product Design extension. With the Product Design extension, a best practice is to assign a plastic rule to your components before you even begin modeling, to ensure that any subsequent plastic design features automatically inherit their respective plastic properties. However, there may be occasions when you need to edit the plastic properties or change the plastic rule and have these edits propagate to components with that same plastic rule assigned. To access the command in the designed workspace, switch to the Plastic tab and locate it on the toolbar or from the browser. In the dialog, you will see two drop-downs. In this design, which are plastic rules that are local to the active document, and library, which are rules stored on the cloud library and can be shared between projects. If you expand one of the materials, you can see in more detail what these plastic rules contain. Physical material assigns the selected plastic physical material from the material library to the component. Thickness range defines the valid range of thickness values for solid bodies to be analysed by design advice. Thickness applies a specified thickness value as the default nominal wall thickness used in certain settings. Thickness variation defines the maximum percentage variation of thickness for solid bodies to be analysed by design advice. Draft angle applies a specified draft angle value as the default nominal draft angle used in certain settings. Minimum draft angle defines the minimum draft angle for solid bodies to be analysed by design advice. Nominal radius applies a specified radius value as a default nominal radius used in certain settings. And knife edge threshold defines the minimum thickness value of thin gaps on the solid body to be analysed by design advice. To edit any of these values, you can click on the pencil symbol to bring up the Edit Plastic Rule dialog, and from there adjust the name, physical material, or respective values. Fusion 360 provides some base plastic rules in metric and imperial. You can also create new plastic rules either locally or in your cloud library. Click on the New Plastic Rule button next to any material you wish to duplicate. Then enter a name, select your physical material, and again, enter the values that are respective of your material selection. If you have a plastic rule that you use more often than others, you can right-click and select Set as Default to set the rule as your default plastic rule. And finally, if you wish to remove a plastic rule either locally or from your cloud library, right-click the plastic rule and select Delete. Now you know how to manage, create, and edit plastic rules using the Fusion 360 Product Design extension. Thanks for watching.